Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Arty Vibes by Sanika. Today I'll be teaching you all how to do these beautiful flowers with watercolors. So let's start by wetting our color palette first. If you haven't checked out my last video yet on the time-lapse painting, you can just click on the right side icon that you can see and proceed to watch that video. Also, if you like this video, don't forget to drop a like and also share it with your other friends so that they can learn the beautiful drawing too. I am taking some yellow color. This is the chrome yellow color in which I have mixed some amount of water, and we'll be also needing some orange. Some of the orange is already there in my palette, so I'll be using that directly. Make sure you use 2 jars of water. One to clean off your brush and second one with clean water with which you can load your brush to use for painting. So I've started giving the first wash of my chrome yellow color, and then I am just dropping some orange on it while the yellow color is still wet and just trying to spread it on into the yellow. This will give a nice shade to our flowers. These are small bud-like flowers. It is very simple to draw. You just have to directly go with your yellow first and make this shape like this, and then you will be dropping some orange at the bottom part of these flowers and let that orange spread into your yellow. Since both our colors are going to be wet, the spreading will be nice and smooth. In this way we'll go on making some flowers. I am making this drawing completely freehand on a plain watercolor paper. So if you wish, you can first draw it lightly with a pencil. Make sure you draw it very lightly, or else just mark some small dots in the places of flowers that you want to draw to get an approximate idea of where your flowers are going to be. But make sure you don't mark it very dark, because the pencil lines will be seen through your watercolors when you paint it, and we don't want that. Now I have mixed some green. This is sap green plus a little amount of yellow ochre, which will give us a nice olive green shade, and I am just painting it at the bottom of all my flowers. You don't need to think much when you are doing this. Just go drawing with the flow. Enjoy the process of making it. Let's start with the leaves now. For the leaves, I've taken the same color and I'm just going on with these 2 strokes, starting with one and then the other one. Not giving much attention to it, just pressing my brush once, lifting it up, again pressing my brush once and lifting it up. Let's make some small buds like this. Again, for this, just making a small line and a circular ovalish edge. All of these I am doing with the same green. And we are done with our first floral work. This is a very simple and easy design that I have done. Now let's see another type. For this, I am using crimson red and vermilion red. So I have mixed a bit of crimson and a vermilion red to get this color shade. Making some random petals and just dropping some dark color in the center of it. And now I am just dropping some bluish black shade in the center to highlight it. Let's see one more in the similar way. So you start with the red wash, then after the wash you need to drop some dark red color while the color is still wet in the central part of the flower. And after you drop the red, you will be dropping some black. Make sure you add a very little amount of black. You don't want to ruin the entire flower with it. So just drop some amount of black to highlight your flower. After that, I am using a dark maroon shade by mixing a bit amount of black to my red and just making these lines and adding small dots at the ends of these lines to draw nice stamens to the flower. This will immediately beautify your flowers. Now I am making some green color. This I have made by mixing some sap green with brown, and I am drawing the basic stems of the flower. And let's draw some leaves again. All the leaves I am just drawing simply with 2 brush strokes. If you want to learn how to draw these leaves in detail, I'll be covering it in my next video, so stay tuned. I'll also put up a video which tells you the basic tips and tricks of watercolors, so that will be coming up on my YouTube channel soon, so stay tuned for that too. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. The subscribe button is right there below this video, so quickly tap it and also press the bell icon to get regular notifications whenever my new video releases. Okay, so we are done with the red flowers. Let's start with the blue ones now. For the blue ones, I am taking a cobalt blue color, just adding quite amount of water with it. It's going to make the small round petals. Going to go with 3 petals in one flower. Nicely making this simple round petals with my plain cobalt blue. And after that, I'm just going to take some dark blue. You can take any ultramarine or Persian blue and just drop it at the central starting of the petals to give it a nice shade. This will really enhance your flowers and make them more beautiful. So do it when your cobalt blue color is still wet, so that the dark blue merges in nicely with that. And the green now. So again I have taken sap green and mixed a light amount of yellow to it, the lemon yellow color, and I'm just making these curved stems. So whenever you make the stems of these flowers, make sure that the central one which you are doing is slightly thicker compared to the other branching out stems that you make. Let's add some more blue dots here and there to fill up the entire area. And let's join them again with some green small thin stem. Yes, and we are done with the blue one too. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Do try these flowers and let me know in the comment section how you feel about this. And also you can follow me on my Instagram and DM me your drawings if you try this and tag me with them. My account handle of Instagram is RTVibesOfficial. So let me know how you feel about this and what would you like to see next. Do subscribe to my channel. Keep watching, keep drawing, keep painting. Have a nice day.